So I'll be showing you how to enable the workout auto pause feature on your Apple Watch. So this is basically a feature that during a workout, it can detect when you've paused, and it's gonna pause the time and other things it's measuring during your workout. So press the crown to go to the main menu page and then look for the settings icon. Tap on it. On the settings page, you want to scroll all the way down until you get to workout. Tap on that, and then under workout, if you scroll a bit, you should see the option called auto pause. So tap on that and then enable auto pause, and as soon as you enable it, you should see the workout types that support auto pause. So mostly it's running and outdoor cycling. Now others it might detect, but it's not giving any guarantees. So these ones are the most likely to be detected because these ones use GPS. So it's very easy for the watch to detect when you've actually stopped moving. But the rest, so very easy, but it can detect. I've actually had it detect my paused workout when I was playing basketball. So it does work for others, but these are the most common workouts that can use this feature. So once you enable it, you can now hit the back button all the way back to the watch face. And that's it. That's how to enable the auto pause feature for workouts on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.